If you are at B1 level, your English is not weak. And reaching B2 English level is not about becoming perfect. It's about becoming comfortable at handling English in real life situations, thinking, reacting, explaining, and adjusting your thought naturally. Many learners work very hard but still feel stuck. Not because they are lazy, not because they are untalented, but because they are working on wrong layer of English. So to reach B2 level, you don't polish your English, you stretch it. You stretch your understanding, you stretch your thinking, you stretch how long you can stay inside English without escaping to your native language. And that's the core idea. Everything else is built around it. So let's start with listening because it's a very important part. So in language learning, listening should stop feeling like a test. Because if you listen only to understand every word, your brain stays tense. And tension blocks progress. So instead, you need relaxed exposure. Choose English content that is slightly challenging but familiar in style. Don't choose a new accent every day or not any random topics. Because when your brain recognizes the rhythm, it starts predicting meaning instead of decoding words. That prediction ability is what slowly turns English into second thinking space. So don't need to understand everything. You just need to stay with the sound. Now another crucial part is speaking. Speaking improves when you stop trying to sound impressive. So the goal is not advanced sentences. The goal is clear thinking in English. So when you speak or think, allow yourself time. Take pauses, rephrase, and add one more sentence to explain your ideas. And this habit of extending thoughts trains your brain to recognize ideas naturally. Because fluency grows from organism, not from speed. And if you're not comfortable at practicing your English with someone, just practice speaking alone if needed. Try to explain your simple ideas deeply. This builds mental endurance, and B2 requires endurance. And now let's talk about grammar, most controversial part about English speaking. Because many people say you don't need perfect grammar to speak English, but I'm not totally agree with that idea. Grammar becomes useful only when it stops being isolated. So instead of studying grammar to remember every rule, study it to recognize patterns. Notice how English handles time, opinions, conditions, and explanations. And when you notice grammar inside real language, it sticks automatically. And your brain starts connecting from the meaning. And this is why reading and listening matter more than grammar books alone. And now let's talk about the soul of a language, vocabulary and words. Because a language created by words. And this part is often misunderstood. Because many of us collecting words and learning vocabulary in wrong way. So you don't reach B2 level by collecting difficult words. You don't reach B2 level by collecting difficult words. You reach it by choosing precise words. And because many of us think that using difficult words means a perfect English. But this is not how it works. It does sound fancy sometimes because we are seeing those things from very long time that way. But the perfect English is how you articulate your ideas by using precise words. So don't rush to learn difficult words. Instead, replace weak words with accurate ones because that sharpens your expressions and that makes your English sound mature, not forced. And this precision changes how people respond to you, and response builds confidence naturally. Now reading. This is also very important part of learning language. And I remember Shashi Tharoor said, if you want to collect vocabulary and stock of words, just read. But reading is not about memorization. Read to observe how ideas are built, how sentences connect, how opinions are supported. Because you are not reading to learn English, you are reading to think in English. And here's that writing comes next, even if you don't like it. Writing is not just about practicing your English. is about writing your thought on a paper. So it's also a process of thinking in English. Sometimes we don't realize it, but we actually think in English while writing. So writing is actually slow thinking, and slow thinking builds control. So write short explanation, one idea or one paragraph. Or you can just write any short captions in your story, in your Instagram, and your WhatsApp status. And these small creative thoughts make a big impact on your English. So when you can explain something clearly in writing, speaking becomes easier automatically. And finally, the mindset, not motivation, not permission. So in language learning, you must give yourself permission to sound imperfect. Permission is to correct yourself. Permission is to make mistakes. Permission is to sound like an idiot sometimes. And permission is to pause. So B2 English is not smooth all the time. It's flexible. So you don't freeze when you don't know a word. You explain around it. You adjust it. And that flexibility is what people call fluency. It's not any perfectionism or using big and difficult words in your English. So if I have to guide you honestly, it cannot, I'm just sharing my thoughts here, it cannot, I don't have ability to guide you because I'm still learning. So it's not so good to say that I'm here to guide you. I'm just here to motivate you. And so, but if I had to guide you honestly or give you my opinion about this, I'd say stay inside English longer every day. Listen with tension. Speak with explanation, not pressure. Notice pattern instead of memorizing rules. Choose precise words. Write to organize thoughts and allow imperfection. And this is how you can achieve your B2 level English. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.